The task for today is going to be setting a trap to get the bees from the tree into the hive. These hives are thriving. It seems the split and requeening operation was successful. So this is the hive that I'm going to be using, which has 10 deep frames and they are pre-waxed. However, I'm going to wrap some extra wax just to get them heavy on wax and make them more attractive for the bees to start drawing comb here. And I'm going to be doing this in both sides in all the frames. So this wax is actually coming from one of the hives that I have in my apiary, which smell actually really good. Okay, so one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to try to build like a platform with the stairs so I can put the hive on top. I just need a 90-degree angle. I think this is going to work. Oops. God damn, using a ratchet with gloves, not easy. Okay. Okay, this is not gonna move. Okay, this is solid. So now I can bring this backwards a little bit, and like that. There we go. This is a little bit wobbly, but I mean, it's not gonna fall. So the hive is right there. I'm gonna try to put the mile the hive here, see if I can move them inside. And these hives are, and these bees are super gentle. I'm just doing things around them, and they are not even bothering me. How about that? Oh, I think that's perfect. Hive is right there, and this is where I want them to be. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to remove the entrance reducer. So now it's time to install the trapper, which consists in this cone, and I have this kind of foam, I would say, that I'm going to put in the back. So when I staple this on the entrance, it's going to seal all around. So this is the way it looks. All right, bees, I'm sorry this is going to be a little bit disturbing to you, but it is what it is. Let me cover this like this. Yeah, they're definitely not happy with me hammering staples. But see, they're coming out, they kind of go back in. Yeah, sorry. One more. I'm so sorry. There we go. This is it. So the reason why this method is called a dropout is because, as you can see here, the bees are getting out of the hive through the tip of the cone, but when they try to go back into the hive, they go on the base of the cone, which is where they know the entrance is, but they kind of go in. And that's why it's important to use this foam, just to make sure that you seal around everything so they kind of go back in anywhere. What ideally should happen is they're gonna all bunch up outside the cone, and at some point the queen is gonna come out because she's gonna be thinking, hey, what's going on? Nobody home. And at that point, they have two options. Option one, get inside this hive. There are frames already there with wax, smell to bees because this box has been having bees already, so that will be perfect. Option two, they just swarm out somewhere else. I think I'm gonna remove the entrance reducer all the way. All right, now you have a lot more space. And I don't know how long it's gonna take for the queen to come out. It's maybe days. So I cannot see it from here, but I don't know if that right there is an entrance to the hive. But so far, they're just piling up outside. So it has been an hour since I put the trap out. Let's see how they're doing. Oh, they are definitely getting up there. Check this out. Oh yeah, they're walking already inside the hive. I like that. This may take several days, so I'm gonna leave it like that and see what happens. I see a lot of bees still coming through the cone, and I just find out that they are coming in and out of that spot as well. So I think there is an entrance to the hive from the top. They're smart. They find their way. So yeah, it's gonna be probably another week until we get them out. Today's gonna be the day to close that second entrance, which is right there. As you can see, they're coming in and out from somewhere in that hole. All right. Well, I think this may work. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is cutting this branch so I can have better access to the entrance. Oh yeah, big entrance right there. Yeah, they got a little bit disturbed with the cutting. And here we go. Yeah, I see you. There we go. So I'm gonna get a bungee cord and I'm gonna just try to wrap it around just to secure and make sure that everything is really tight. I really thought that I got them by the first time, but nope. They outsmart me. They couldn't figure it out, the cone thing, but yeah, they can find ways to come back in the hive. Let's see now if this works. We're back to square one. Wait for another week. So the bees have figured out how to get inside the hive through the tip of the cone. However, there is a lot of movement inside the hive that I put outside. So I think they move into the hive. I don't know. So what I'm going to do to avoid the bees to go back into the original hive is I'm going to use this plastic hose. This is actually a cable organizer. It's like a mesh that wraps around itself. So I'm going to put it on the tip of the cone, and I think this time they're not going to find out the way in. So we'll see. Either way, I'm going to suit up, open the hive, and see what's going on inside. There's a lot of noise inside, so there's a lot of bees inside, I believe. All right, let's see. Oh wow, beautiful. Beautiful. I want to take a look at a few frames and see what's going on. If they are already building comb or what. Yeah, not much in this frame either. Oh, nice. They're starting to build comb. That's good. Yeah, the frame I want to see is the first one, the closer to the feeder. Oh yeah, there's a lot of comb going on right there. Let's check it out. Oh, yes. I don't know what this is. Maybe they're building cells for getting a queen because I don't see any queen over here. But pretty nice. All right. So this is pretty much 1 gallon of sugar syrup. It will help them build comb faster. All the way to the brim, girls. They have plenty of food now. I'm just gonna close the hive and let them here for maybe a couple more weeks and see if the queen finally gets out of the other hive, the one in the tree. I'm gonna make a clean cut here outside. There we go. This is gonna be for today. This is week 5, trying to get the bees out of the tree. I'm gonna give them 1 more week, and if next week I don't see, or next weekend I don't see the queen in the hive, I'm gonna get a new queen and close the hive in the tree and call it a day. Anyways, thank you for watching.